What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing my wig review. First ever wig. This is a headband wig. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. I have opened it, but I haven't took anything out of the package. So it's all in here. We pretty much gonna get my reaction to it and everything with this. So I haven't tried it on or anything, but I like the little baggie it comes in. I will put what brand and everything it is up above and in the description box. And this says on the bag, it says love your hair, show your beauty, high quality unprocessed human hair. That's what the bag says. Okay, we're gonna open up. Okay, first thing I see is a headband, a polka dotted headband. Okay, this, and then the hair. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. This is the 14-inch. I gotta pull it up on my phone to tell y'all exactly what it is. It's the 14-inch headband wig. The brand name is Acantam. It says headband wig, curly human hair, non-lace front, machine wash wig for a woman, 10A grade virgin human hair, 150% density. $88.99. I got it free through an Amazon vendor. So basically this was a free product for me. So I'm just going, and my reviews are always going to be true to that. So don't, if anybody ever give me something free, just know the review is going to be real. Okay, upon me pulling it out of the bag, I see it has some picks. I think that's what you call them. Little things you stick in there to secure your hair to the wig. That, the hair is in a hair net. We're gonna go ahead and pull that off. And it's also stuffed with paper, so we're gonna pull that out so we can stop making so much noise. But here's the hair. This is 14 inches. Woo! That's some short hair. I honestly feel like they sent me the wrong length, but this is the hair. I like the curls. It's pretty curls. Y'all, I have never in my life put on a wig, so this is gonna be something else. Well, actually I have, but it was a costume. But this is gonna be something different, and then it has an actual headband sewed onto it, so really don't need the polka dot one. But there's the headband. The hair actually feels really nice. It's nice and silky feeling. Like the little curls it has. And if y'all can see those. It's not stiff at all. Thought it was gonna be stiff. And this is actual tracks. You can see the tracks on the inside up in there. So we're gonna go ahead and try this on. I do not have a wig cap. I had one, but I have no idea what I did with it. Oh yeah, and it has the Velcro thing to fit your head. Oh yeah, guys, I just realized I forgot to tell y'all what was inside of the wig. Basically, there is the little tuck combs. There's one in the front and one in the back, and then on the side are the ones that clip, that snap. So on both sides there's one that snaps. So that's the combs that's inside the wig. And then there's the headband, or well, the scrap. So we're gonna go ahead and try this on. Y'all can laugh at me because I don't know what I'm doing. She don't know what she doing. And I got a big head, so we're gonna see if this gonna actually fit. Okay. I'm gonna have to put it further back because this head, it would not fit my head up front. So we're gonna do this a little bit further back. Y'all, I ain't no professional. I ain't no professional. I don't know what I'm doing. So laugh at me. Go ahead, because I'm laughing at myself on the inside. I think I'm gonna put the back on first and then frame the forward. So y'all that wear wigs, y'all can laugh. Go ahead, laugh at me, cause I don't know. Yeah, I think my head is too small for this. I mean, too big. Where's my mama when I need her? Okay. Alright, y'all. I think I got it on. Trying to get the tuck combs in right. Yo. Alright. I probably would, if I was to rock this, I probably would have to wear one of my other headbands. but this is the wig. I actually like how it feels. I'm looking in the mirror, y'all. I'm looking in the mirror. Kind of like how it looks too. If my people I'm always around didn't know that my hair was long, this would really work out in my favor. They probably wouldn't be able to tell that is not my hair. Y'all tell me how the back look. Can you see any of the can you tell in the mirror? Actually don't look bad back there either. I actually kind of like it. Might actually rock this one day. See if anybody notices it's not my hair. Might actually rock this one day, y'all. How y'all think it look? I kind of like it. I like how it feels actually. That's why I keep touching it, because it actually does feel natural. It doesn't feel like fake hair. So I definitely could see myself rocking this. I'm gonna go get one of my other headbands that I normally wear, and we're gonna see how it looks with that. So hold on, y'all, for a second. Okay, this is the only headband I could find. So this is with my African one. I mean, well, my rainbow one. That's pretty much how it looks. Yeah, I actually like it. I might be able to do wigs. I just had to get me a wig cap and figure out how to hide. I feel like I'm not hiding my ponytail of my real hair too well, but I think it's not bad at all. Hope y'all can see me in the camera. But this is my ponytail up in here. I don't know if it's showing really well or not, but this is pretty much what it looks like. It actually moves like hair, so I actually like it. The only thing I don't like is these few pieces of straight hair on the ends, which, you know, our natural hair does that sometimes, but it looked like little parent pieces of hair on the end. I don't like those too much. Some of the ends are really straight instead of curly. Like, I think you can see that one right there. It's actually straight, not curly. But other than that, I actually like it. I would actually wear this. So y'all might see this in my head one day when I'm recording a regular video or something. So y'all, as for this, I would actually recommend it. I wish it was a little bit longer, but I actually do like it. On the girl in the picture, it looks way longer. I actually feel like they sent me the wrong length. But then again, this might be the 14-inch. I don't know, hers look, it's pretty much the same. So yeah, I like it. And it looks like she combed out her curls, which I might eventually do that also. But I actually like it. I think I could deal with this. I thought it was going to be much longer though, but I'm cool with this. I'm cool with this. So y'all, this is pretty much my review on this product. I actually do like it. It's really cute. It would be very easy for y'all wig head peoples, y'all that normally do wigs. This is my first ever wig, so this It's like I said, it's my first ever wig, my first ever try on for any type of wig, other than when I was in a play, and even then my mom helped me put it on. So for me to do this myself, I think I did pretty well. You know, I tried. If I bring it back a little bit, but it will work even further back. I just would have to smooth my hair down really well to make it blend. But this, I like the wig, I actually do. So I would recommend this. It feels really nice and soft. As I said, you see I keep touching it, it's really silky feeling. So I will leave the product in the description box below, the link in the description box below and everything for y'all to check it out. This is the polka dot headband that came with it. And as for the headbands, you don't know which one you're gonna get. It originally comes with that black one, but what comes as an accessory, as in the headbands that they put in the box, will be a surprise, so you don't know what you're getting with that one. I got a polka dot one. You see the girl in the picture had a different one. Otherwise, I actually do like it, so I do recommend it. So y'all can, it'll be in, I will have it linked down in the description box. Alright y'all, see y'all in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.